What is going on, my Atomic Autoworks friends? So today we have a double whammy again. Well, actually, this is like a quadruple whammy. So we're going to be doing a tool review on these little guys here. And you can see in back, we got the old Wheel of Fortune down, and we are changing things around. So for many of you who are watching our podcast, it's going to be down for a couple of weeks, possibly, just because Rick found some lumber and he is making some cool walls. So he's in the process of this, and Lewis is helping. They're working together, I should say, because Rick's the one who found the wood. It was Rick's idea, but Lewis is working with them. So it's a combined team effort. Although, Rick, before you go,
yes,
can you tell us about how you feel about this weather finally breaking?
I know how happy the groundhog is now because it's absolutely beautiful today. It's only about 37 degrees, which in the fall time you would see me in about 4 jackets and 3 hats. But 37 in the spring, real warm, ready for a t-shirt.
And look at this, it's melting. All the snow is melting. Oh my God, I love that.
The snow is beautiful. It's even more beautiful when it's gone. Welcome to New England.
Okay, so I thought you might like to see some real life. The new podcast studio, as we go, we're kind of taking another leap forward, and then we're going to go through and do this review. We're going to grab a tripod. This one looks like it's going to work. We're going to grab these blades, and we're going to open the door for Rick first. Got about 7 more feet. It's always best to double check, quadruple check. Do you see the windows blown out? This one, the third one.
Oh yeah.
It's weird. 4 feet, 3 feet, 2 feet. That's it. Okay, let's check. Oh, so close. Okay, so I just grabbed a piece of pipe that was sitting on the floor so we can try this bad boy out. Let's see what it looks like, and let's get you up close and personal. Okay, so I'm going to try to get an angle so you can see if this works. The whole point of this tool is so that you can see the weld as you're grinding. So we got a sloppy weld here. Let's try it out and see. Oh, it actually works pretty good. Let's see if the camera... Okay, so Rick's coming over. Rick wants to see this thing. Come on over, Rick.
Let's check this thing out.
Okay, ready? You'll get Rick's live reaction here. Actually, hold on. Let me pull this off, and then I can video you doing it, which would be even better.
Oh, I like that. I like that. You can see where you're grinding. That's beautiful. What a great idea.
It's funny. So TikTok isn't completely useless.
No, it's not. No, this is a great idea. I can't believe somebody didn't think of this sooner. It allows you to see what you're grinding and where you're at. That's perfect. Very nice.
Okay, so I'm trying to carry everything back, and we're going to shoot a video. I'm actually going to show something else because we went to Harbor Freight, and years ago I was not a Harbor Freight fan.
Love Harbor Freight.
if you could hear Rick, he loves Harbor Freight. He actually kept telling me, go grab a couple of these blades and a couple of different things, and you'd be amazed at the prices, and the quality has come so far and all that stuff. So we did, and we bought some stuff, and now I'm kind of addicted to it. So we got one of their magnetic paper towel holders, which is cool, and their magnetic rubber glove holder, which is pretty cool. I wanted to put it on the side of the toolbox because we have the black box, but the problem is it's a little tight right now, so we're gonna have to move things around, and we really don't have time to move things around. So that was pretty cool. And I'll show you what Rick's working on here. So the little aluminum panel that covers this had fallen off. So this is a nice quick job for him. He's just gonna repair it, bond it on, and make it look pretty. All right, so I wanted to show you some real life things that are going on in our real world, behind the scenes of what's going on. And actually, let's check this out. So you want to make sure to follow our channel. We're going to be doing a how-to on this seat very shortly. And we actually have a couple other things going on that's really cool, which I'm going to show you. So if you follow our Atomic Cycle Works channel, you're going to see our how-to videos are starting up. And here is one of the first ones we're going to be doing, which is in a motorcycle. It's a snowmobile. So today, we're going to take a quick break and tear this apart and have Lewis tear it apart. We're going to fix the foam, and then we're going to put a provided cover on it. So if you like how-tos and that type of stuff, please watch our Atomic Cycle Works channel. And now, for many of you who watch our channel, have probably seen a lot of these vehicles in the background. It's very frustrating when we have a lot of vehicles and we're trying to finish them all up. But this one here is going to be a beautiful truck. We still got to finish sanding and buffing it. We're putting the stickers on. I don't know if you can see. Well, I know you can see. We got the Dodge stickers on it, and he really likes the sport package. So our customer actually found this sport package online. So it has the sport stickers on it, and we are doing the interior, doing the audio, a couple of small things, inner fender wells, and then this baby's gonna be ready. So if you like trucks, you'll see this one on our truck channel. We're gonna be doing more of the how-to behind the scenes of finishing this truck off. We're gonna build this one up, get it out of here. We got a lot of cool projects. Actually, this one here, 71 Chevelle. Everything's been kind of still for a while, and I apologize. It's just a lot harder to get a lot of stuff done than most people think, but you'll see this one in our videos starting next week. We're actually gonna get it up and start the exhaust, get all that on there, get this thing fired up, and this is a really cool project. So he has the LS in here. So we're gonna get this bad boy fired up for him. And then Rick's gonna take this truck here, and he wants to swap it out and put a 3,000 horsepower Cummins in it and do burnouts.
Hell yeah.
So thank you for watching our product review and a little bit more. We really liked them. We're gonna actually use them in production. So if anybody has any questions and wants to ask us, how they actually work out in long term, they actually, for that little bit we use them, they really broke down almost nothing. They seem like a good product. So thanks for watching. Please remember, like, share, subscribe, follow, ring the bell if you're watching this on Facebook. Follow us if you're watching on YouTube. Subscribe to us. Thanks again. Appreciate your help. Appreciate your help. Appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos.